Definition: AI in education refers to technology that support learning by analyzing data and providing personalized solutions. Benefit: first, automates grading, scheduling, reporting. Second, personalized learning based on student pace and style. Third, virtual assistant and chatbot for real-time questions.
Core ethical issues. The first is privacy and data security. Data collection must be safe, transparent, and authorized. Prevent misuse or leakage of student data. The second is fairness and transparency. AI system must be free from bias. AI decision-making process should be explainable. Final decision must be remain with human. The third, impact on teacher. The first is AI support teacher but does not replace them. The second, teacher need educate AI literacy. The fourth, impact on student. The first is avoid over-reliance on AI. The second, student must be learn ethical AI use.
The next is major implementation challenge. Number one, technological infrastructure. Lack of adequate device, servers, and software. And next, unstable or unique internet access. The number two is digital divide. Limited access to AI in rural or remote areas. And many students lack device or reliable connectivity. Number three is a teacher and staff training. The teacher need technical and ethical AI training. Misunderstanding AI may lead to resistance.
Next slide about solutions and collaborative future. First case solution. Build an AI ecosystem that is transparent, fair, and secure. Transparent is AI operations are understandable. Fair, free from algorithmic bias. Secure, student data protected. Second, the feature of AI in education. Teacher plus AI is a powerful team. AI assists with automate text and learning recommendation. Teachers provide human judgment and personal connection. Okay, next main message. AI will not replace teachers. It will strengthen their role.
On this occasion, we will share a complete AI tool for teachers. Starting from lesson planning, learning media to student assessment, there are also projects on this website, friends. Please open Google, then type in Education Planner. After that, we'll use the Start Free Trial option, friends. Then log in with your accounts. Well, this is what the first screen looks like, friends. What is available here? You can see it here, friends. There is Lesson Builder. It's complete, all in one, friends. Then there is Quiz Builder, PowerPoint generator for media, context generator, then Report and parent email, friends. Wow, it's complete. So this is indeed a special tool for teachers. Quickly, just here. Just type the topic here, friends. For example, we are discussing understanding the programming process. This is for 11th grade informatics. So what do you want to create? Lesson, PowerPoint, content, for example. It's already there, just download it. Then various things will appear. These four will appear here, friends. Alright, the PowerPoint is already showing up. And the explanation for the clicks is already there. The title is already there, and everything else is ready. Just click on them, everyone. So, for example, what does the context builder look like? So, my friends understand the programming process, which includes algorithms, coding, debugging, and operators. That's it, friends. Use this, okay? Understand the programming process. Then, this is English, friends, this. So, actually, that's all, friends. What is the objective? Then what is needed? Then, this is for decoration. This pencil is still in English, but these two are in Indonesian. Let's try the presentation, friends. For the PowerPoint, friends, yes. So this is understanding the programming process. Then there is the problem-based learning. PBL, approach. Then the program concept is also there, the technology and tools needed for what are there. So it's quite complete, friends. But there are also some that appear in English. So just try it, friends, let it appear. In Indonesian, what else is there? You can click here, friends. In the workshop, for example, if you want to create a quiz here, friends. What material should you create? For example, the programming process. So, friends, grade 11, then generate. What do you want to follow here? Just click here, friends. This is in English too, friends, it appears. Actually, this is good, friends. Try right-clicking first, let's try changing it to Indonesian. In addition, besides this, you can also create PowerPoint presentations, as mentioned earlier, then create projects. Let's try to create this project, same. So if you want to know, have ideas for projects for children. So for this material, what is the project? This, friends, this. There is an example of a project description. This is in English, friends. Indonesian remains this, friends. It doesn't appear. You can translate it later using Google Translate, friends. So the idea is, it can be like this, friends. Copy it, paste it into Google Translate. So make an idea, this is just for ideas, friends. This project is about how to create, how a program is made, from initial planning to completion. Great, right? The steps. What is needed? The goal is to be complete, friends. These are ideas for those of you who don't have any ideas for student projects. Yes, friends, there's a lot, friends. So it includes student reports, emails, and emails for parents. It's complete, a complete tool for teachers, friends. So everything is here, you just have to get creative on your own. That's the tutorial. Hopefully it's useful.